Ejefo. I band the call. Now, and this is no some
for aha Ghana Sam TV GH. Mess on like a comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications for that anytime videos you say upload here now. Usa kebi. For sama yetini say MPP TikTokers ni baku a friend of Fanti Comedy. Second one also Miami sister from Waterland. A friend of AY. They have been arrested by the police, and when you listen to why the police has arrested Fanti Comedy ni AY, nyasem bi ani. Assembly say Fanti Comedy or popular guy over TikTok or over 400,000 followers. 400,000 followers. Now they be of TikTok I friend TikTok live. Just wait me aso camera na uni for discussing issues. Now who discuss issues now wait me a man for and I will allow go for bet me request say one person be kasa bi. Now mama basu now mama be kasa. And during that section bakubi ena asen go for be ba live do some be ka nsem ba ku mienu bi a ebia ankoyi maybe but enye nipa o host live ne ka asem no enye Fanti Comedy no ene ka asem no right na asem na obi a okọ TV sukura show so a mostly we hu down honum say media no ka say whoever has come panel no so asem bia nipa no ke bia no enye omu views and represent omu views and he say ukọ panel bisu ka asem bia asem a waka no in the end no nipa obeka asem no na okay oni emranya asem enye host no but in this very case no Ghana police akwa Fanti Comedy no nipa oye host no say onu na omuni na enya asem. Nothing of the sort happens. It does not make any sense. Now second lady I friend AY no die according to what is being told on social media AY no as a NDC for omu ni obi a friend Ghana Jollof anya asem. Na Ghana Jollof a omu hwehwe no akọchi no and omu start to say omu distribute sa abayiwa a friend AY ni pictures ewo social media no so. Enti say omu hwehwe Ghana Jollof say AY nye Ghana Jollof nye Ghana Jollof a akọchi omu. Na makọchi omu nso no yes mu na makọchi omu ana omu koe. Okay, omu ana mu invite omu na omu koe. Yes sir. Na we invite nipa no na omu koe no. Afre de wachi omu tum say omu bail. And say sia ye kasa no. Sa nipa me no omu ewo Ngwa police station. A omu achi omu etu sell. Say denti say omu akasa. Yes omu ana mu kasa mpo say omu a friend is saying media so social media so anchor for about how become imagine say see ye call social media no so now obi bia or pass comment cry ko chinipa na and say gonna be there rough now is actually John Dramani Mahama minim but are you still in charge of this country? John Mahama, His Excellency, are you the one in charge of this country? Hey, Ankasa, nema be say na Akufo-Addo ya. Aka ne Ghana be wo. Te nema be say, ena John Akufo-Addo, Williams, Akufo-Addo. Te nema be say no ya. Sanka by now Sami Jefi munyi na sanka by now mudim. Anka wako nsawa mababa 70 times. Say by now Mugabe mu Omaka Baba 70 times. Bobby and some Pina Omaka Baba 70 times. But Akufo-Addo believe in the freedom of speech and expression. And they say no, social media unko use it. Adentia. A military rule as in a year. Say threat to the life of the president. Fanti Comedy. Or then our what present life. Then all Assembly Crania. And NDC4 Munkai say ochina oho. Yesterday Banku day for dog, and nobody knows tomorrow. It was for the hashtag near free fancy comedy, free AY. As I say, push it. Let's draw the attention of the international community. Say there is a serious fight against freedom of speech in Ghana. They say I mean what say. I'll keep you updated.
Where the answer the office young one and the Fantin and the Abba and a man for visa on Bachinatu. Muda Munchintu. Sabaka may say, if you are saying Nadia Bacope, Nagana, Dodaman, only 60 years. Oh, Ghana president, only Suda. And there one day, obey free so. No free swar. You see, the other year, the same thing. Now you did the same penny for more Ghana, ha. Almost a woman answer, no mutie. Saminja Finn and go over to me now. Baby to Metronom. Eddie Dr. Mahmoud Baomiatem. Obianca Anstromo. That's a dear so. That's an idea. I'm going to be invited here. You didn't say invited here. Ever call. You are going to my jollof with you. Why? Adam has a Dramani Mahama. That means
Debbie as a Mekase MPP leadership way. Any the weakest of all time. Maybe I will be in tears. Na anya mo wan select ne beba no na the osign Justin Kodua le Justin Kodua onyi mo mpanifo ene neck fo nyina mini mo am take decision say Tamale Central by election no MPP eye ho afim make asema chemo say if we are not able to draw the line, and I'm being very careful with my words because ye nyina na asema to yen. Right, oh my Ghana na abrechi atuye nyina. I'm being so careful with my words. Mutie mi ye. Comment section for no so that mo comments nearby. Nyansa ni bibia be fine. Okay. Election, by election I was won kono. Eno ne benyane omo a sebi omawu nana. NDC for parliament ina ye nwia kuma akwatia MP Starboy ekodaya wan sorry. Move the way NDC for pushy say instantly, immediately within short days, munya by election. More try, more minority, more sorry be general be kasabi bre ebesiki sympathy from the general public. Say owo aba nyamenka say sambra eyara ho sem na si. Ba by election edu. Tamale baako, akwatia baako. Any strategic leaders be won say okay. So even yen put too much effort into Tamale Central there now. Yen declare say yen ko. Nemum ebia yebema ya adwen akwatia ho de ne pe. But say oba catch your opponent Tamale there no unkoto bia. Munko a meaning say ho no moja mom oppose. Na NDC for ndo ma ho odi na baba mo so akwatia. El mo ba betwe akwatia there no. This is common sense. Come on ntum. Na fe ye twen a seat 2 na ato ye be pre 2 ni na abom na fe that is the strategically sadan ko se mpanyifo no eyusu adwen eko na ni pe 2 no a afim nyamefo mo kransie parliament no ya to mu nyina aso aba ba se wo ka se wo de Tamale Central de ne ye omobo esen Starboy de no and it Starboy de end ye be kwa koto aba because say Starboy de ono de ni wuo no enye mobo enye MPP fo mpanyifo ya say young guys ha ebewu na emom ye papa ya Tamale Central ono abu muntala de eye MPP fo arefo bro so enti omo de omo koto aba de a na do na ka na asem ti say owo bia yowo na do na ka ye be pa ma chawo ye mpanyifo na emre dru no se mo ahwe ebedu baby no ya edi mo achi no ye beja mo achi di I mean grassroots for ebeja mo achi di MPP for mpanyifo mo nya careful mo anya careful ebedu baby no youth ni na ebeja mo achi di me ka wa ha on authority akire mo se mo ahwe ya ebe mobilize youth ni na ya tie party ana ye youth na koka party asabi mpanyifo na ma grassroots for no nkwala no mbregu ani sifo mo nya nkrofo a sabi ye hu omomobo to that extent asama to ye nyinara ye na ye ya era ho na emom election is election, politics is politics. Yasin ko bia de bia na signatures yase wo ye wo de yan tu kra me yan tu ame fi MPP mu I tell you I swear